Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital in Nnewi bụ federal government of Nigeria be fed in charge of it. Because Afugomebe, some of our people believe that not support to Governor Soludo, Mbiakwafukwa, and Aqua Governor not support na Mama Kumakanka. Do you understand me? Because of protest and the nurses here, you got to go. So I'm choking Kowalu because I ain't not gonna social media and I gonna accuse. Because a lot of our people are got like a government in Nigeria so where they you understand what I'm saying. So I put up na kowa. You got that. Onwere oge na-criticize Soludo. You got to go that time because of issue of insecurity in Anambra State. Because I believe the primary work of government is to protect life and property. Every other thing book secondary. Do you understand what I'm saying? Governor am protect the life of ndị so kedu ife ọ ya na-emere campaign na na-alụ ụzọ mee nke ọzọ. And oge na-criticize ya ihe enwekwe free education. Do you understand me? And enwere antenatal for free. You got to go man criticize at that time. You got to now. So okay, I na talk you got na social media with constructive criticism. I didn't make destructive criticism. Do you understand me? So I for federal project I face in the federal. You want to go face when they in charge of it. If federal road will pothole on the mother na or one day if your mind on your minister of wars. Or I have the senator and the representative supposed to really mind the day of your mind. Not everyone I suppose to really are. Do you now understand what I'm saying? So man oge criticize Soludo that time ade eje akwụkwọ guys a na-agbagbusi ndị mmadụ na Anambra State na-apụ ndị mmadụ. You got to go. So if there's an asị m na-ekwe gọvanọ na support na mafụlọ nke ekwu. Do you understand? So before you na attack him na such video, make sure that if about Anambra project or federal project, do you understand? I will talk about it. You got to go Soludo na go drive for video. Mama na those who not close to him na for the video. Do you understand me? So if there's an attack him on if him and if Abu Federal or less was planning me out of ignorance, I don't know. But actually in Kowale if you name on social media beginning constructive criticism. I didn't make destructive criticism. I criticize for the nature I gonna and they are not in position to do the right thing, to start doing the right thing. Man no getting the against Soludo, no getting criticize. Yeah, go all up all this stout, was by na Pugalande by in the name of Biafra agitation. Camp everywhere ikuzi okwu asị gị na ya egbo gị yotago ifu mmadụ ojiche obodo oyibo nata na-agba n'ụzọ o nwere ike a na-apụọ ya gbuo the person ma ndị a na-ebu agba ime ọfịa ma ndị a na-ana moto yotago na. So all this criminality juru ana Igbo that time, but I'm supporting Soludo today because of gịnị na m feel that na ọlụbago ọlụ. You have to go face go those people na cause mayhem and havoc criminality now only go his boss as I'm talking to you. Anambra State now they calm. Not like before. Do you not understand? He's dealing with them. And all of them are running away. You got to go. So I can just support you and I support this when he can. If you know I will campaign for him for continuity. You got to go because only go for a cover supposedly. Do you understand what I'm saying? So before any criticize Soludo, what put your evidence if you criticize there? I makia. I also we go to talk about it. Or by I have from mad.